So you're obviously watching this video because you want to learn how to make money online. Now don't worry because you have come to the right place. I will be showing you exactly how you can make as much money as you want so that you can live the life that you have always dreamed of living. Today, I will be showing you a super easy method that you can use to make money online repeatedly. All you have to do is like videos, and you can start earning money right away. Another great thing about today's method is that it is worldwide. So don't worry if you don't live in the US or the UK because you will be able to do this method no matter where you are in the world. Okay, let's get back to the main video topic today. Our first website for today is called rapidworkers.com. At Rapid Workers, tasks are accomplished fast, projects are low cost, employers are fulfilled, workers are happy and compensated promptly, and most of all, it simply works. As you can read right here, Rapid Workers is a crowdsourced service with more than 100,000 workers. Their team helps individuals, small businesses, and professionals to create low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns to increase sales, better ranking, backlinks, and much more. They're combining workers and employers to minimize publicity and marketing costs, while at the same time providing money to everyday users. Workers sign up and browse microjobs, select jobs that they like, finish tasks, submit proof, earn money, and a lot more. It's always important to be cautious when signing up for online earning opportunities and to carefully research a website before providing any personal information or working on any tasks. Some websites may not be legitimate and could be attempting to scam users. However, this website will definitely help you earn some money, which is why I'm telling you about it. So definitely make sure that you give it a go. Another great thing about this website is that this website has a lot of different payment methods, as you can see, like PayPal, bank transfer, and a whole lot more. Rapid Workers is a service for unique corporations. Workers can submit their websites or your websites to search engines, promote sites, they can dig websites, they can post on Twitter, blogs, forums, etc. Can post reviews and a lot of other tasks. Now it's time for you to sign up, and to do so, just click on Sign Up right here on the upper right corner, and then that should take you to here. You need to fill out your name, your email address, your password, your country, confirm that you're not a robot, agree to the terms and services, and then hit on Sign Up. Before that, let's read through some of their very strict rules. Number 1 is that using VPNs or other types of masking IP software is not allowed, and you're also not allowed to have multiple accounts with the same IP or use shared or public Wi-Fi. You are also not allowed to use the same IP used with other accounts to do tasks that are supposed to be for jobs in countries that you are not from. You can only do the jobs that are made for your country. All of these will get you eventually banned, and once you're banned, don't even waste your time making another account, because it's not gonna happen. Before we go ahead with the video, let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for me, in case there are any videos that you want to see in particular. I mean, these videos are for you guys anyway, so I really want to make sure that I get as much feedback from you guys as possible. Also, let me know what devices you use, if you're an Android or an iOS user, and while you're at it, comment where you're from, because I enjoy reading your comments and you know I'll try to respond to all of them. Okay, so let's head back to the video. Now, you can really just hit on Sign Up. As soon as you hit on Sign Up, you're gonna have to verify your email address before successfully starting. So go on ahead to your email, check your inbox, and look for an email just like this one. Then you're going to want to click on the link attached to that email, and that should take you straight into your verified Rapid Worker account. This is what the inside of your Rapid Worker account looks like. You can keep track of your transactions, your balance, deposits, withdrawals, literally everything. As you scroll over, you'll see all the tasks that you can actually take on and be well compensated for it. It tells you what the task is, the countries it's available in, the payment, and the time, which makes it really convenient since you don't have to figure out those types of information about the task on your own. Now it's time that we target what we came here for, which would be to earn by liking YouTube videos. And to do so, just look up YouTube in the search bar. You can also filter things out so that it'll only show you the jobs that are related to YouTube, as well as have higher payments. So that's going to be its focus. For example, we choose this one that pays you this amount of money, and you only have to do it within the time duration stated. All you need to do is click on it, then that's going to take us to another tab that's going to reveal more information on the task that we've just chosen, so that we can know more about it. So you just want to read through the whole thing, really understand everything, and then once you've read and understood, you can proceed by following the instructions as instructed or as follows, because that's what you're gonna have to do. Anyway, to be able to earn the method and to be able to really execute the task properly before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Also, let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next, so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue, and before we wrap things up, we're gonna have a little recap. First, you want to go to rapidworkers.com, sign up for a free account, look up tasks that you're interested in undertaking, do those tasks, and lastly, earn. Now, you may think that this is an easy-peasy job, which it is, but you are still going to have to put in some little effort because that's really the only way that you're going to be able to make money for yourself. So make sure you try today's website out, follow everything that we just taught you, and do the best that you can. I'm not saying that this is going to replace your full-time job at all, but it's definitely a great way to make a little extra income on the side of whatever you're doing at the moment. And just think what you could do with that extra money. You could save it up for a bigger goal, like going on holiday or buying a car. Or you can just use the money to cover some basic phone bills and do grocery shopping. That's what I love about making money online. It's super convenient. And all you have to do is spend a little time with your device, which we all do all the time anyway, for free. And just like that, you get paid, and you get to use the money for very much in real life things. It's awesome, and that's exactly why you absolutely need to do this method that I showed you today. And that wraps up today's tutorial. If you learned something new today, be sure to hit the thumbs up button down below and comment any thoughts or questions that you might have. We love hearing from you guys. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be alerted every time we upload a brand new money-making method that you simply do not want to miss out on. See you in the next video.